Hey everybody, welcome to GREviewz. Today I'm going to be repairing these kind of old chairs. Basically the big problem with them right now is, again, they're sinking in pretty bad. All of them are kind of having that same issue. So the way that we're going to be repairing them is by just grabbing some 1x6 and putting the wood in here, just putting some L brackets here and here. So today I'm just going to be showing you that process. So what we're doing here, hey Dad,
Yo.
doing a good job, doing
yeah.
a good job.
Thank you.
Putting the little L brackets into the wood as well as the chair just to support the middle, pretty much wherever all the weight goes. So just gonna do that to all the chairs, and that's it. Really simple, really easy. We're just using number 6 3/4-inch screws to go into the 1x6, and then we're using 1.5-inch L brackets. So that's it. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Rather than taking it to an upholstery shop to do this stuff, or just doing it ourselves for, I think it was maybe 50 bucks, something like that for all of them. So good stuff. We'll show you the end result. Here's the end result, guys. Thank you so much for watching GREviewz. Again, all we really needed was the 1x6 and the L brackets and the small screws. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.